Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Git hooks with Husky for pre-commit checks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Git hooks with Husky for pre-commit checks, begin by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your machine. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Run the command npm init to create a package.json file if one doesn't already exist. Next, install Husky by running npm install husky savedev. Once installed, you can enable Git hooks with the command npx husky install. This command initializes Husky and sets up the necessary files within your project. After that, add the command to your package.json scripts for automatic setup by including prepare husky install. Now that Husky is set up, you can create a hook for pre-commit checks. Use the command npx husky add.husky/precommit to create your pre-commit hook file. Open the .husky/precommit file in your code editor. Add your desired commands to this file for your pre-commit checks. For example, you might want to run tests or lint your code. A common command added here is npm test, which will execute your test suite before each commit. Make sure to save your changes to the .husky/precommit file. Now, try making a commit in your project. Husky will execute the pre-commit checks you specified. If the checks pass, your commit will proceed successfully. If they fail, the commit will be aborted, preventing you from committing problematic code. This ensures that your codebase remains stable and adheres to your project's coding standards. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Git hooks with Husky for pre-commit checks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.